Welcome to my channel. Today is a special day for all Longwood Garden members, where we are able to attend the special members preview of the Longwood Garden Reimagined between November 3rd to November 17th. After many years of waiting to see the $250 million renovation project, the members are now able to see them up close and personal. A Mediterranean-inspired masterpiece, the West Conservatory is the centerpiece and the largest component of Longwood Reimagined. The West Conservatory connects water with sky in an entirely new way for Longwood Garden. The West Conservatory includes a state-of-the-art ventilation system to capture incoming air, computer-controlled windows, roof vents and shades, underground rainwater collection tanks, and glass panel with reflective dots that help ensure the safety of the local bird population. The West Conservatory breathtaking landscape design celebrate the character of the Mediterranean, the relationship between cultivated and wild places, and the relationship between stone, water, and plants. Water is the central element reflecting the sky, providing cool and serene visual breaks and adding sound to the immersive experience. The glass house itself appears to be floating on the surface of a tranquil sheet of water. Flora from the warm regions of the southern hemisphere and the vibrant coastal landscape of California thrive. Each specimen is a living testament to nature's artistry. The beauty of this space is unforgettable, season after season, underscoring the legacy of innovative engineering, pioneering design, and horticultural excellence for which Longwood is celebrated. Let's continue our journey to the part 2 to see the Cascade Garden.